With southwesterlies, that's coming to view. That's the same one, the fin air. Just extends over this way. And then a bit further, bits and splurts with the look of it. Yeah, it's stung there as well. So that's coming this way. Look how the clouds are breaking down the chems. So the cloud seeding either way. They're using frequencies to change the clouds. That's probably what they used to make that other cloud appear out back. Those weird little put clouds that just appeared out of nowhere. And they were pretty damn quick as well. But what the hell. Just an FYI, that one there, 36200, same as the other buggers that have been reported today. It could start spraying, I don't know, but it's a USAF Pegasus 2020 version. I can't zoom on the damn thing from here, and I haven't got the balance outside, so... No, contrail, I hope it stays that way. I trust the United States Air Force like I trust diarrhea. No, I've not got out back, not for a long time. Look how this bugger's spread here. All the lot behind it gone. Hang on, cracking my ribs on that damn chair. There you go. It's done some damage on it. Wow. Pattern in there, turn into waves. Yes, we're losing light as well a bit that way, but I'll try my best as usual. Oh, that's shocking. That is really shocking how that bugger's spread. Wow. Well, I'm guessing French B was one of those buggers. What else can we see over that way? Quite a bit. Looks nearly blue there, doesn't it? Don't know about those other clouds, but hang on. It's formed over there off the chem. The chem cloud, of course, but a bit of a blocky effect, isn't it? Wow. I'm far from happy about this. You lot should be too. That's an oops moment. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, as you know, we've been watching those waves and the frequencies and whatever. These two came into view not so long ago. I did take pictures, but they're just totally out of character with the whole chems that are there. But it doesn't make sense. They're just, I don't know, they're out of sequence. By now, by that angle, the chems would be facing that way. You know, turn around on themselves. We've got southwesterly, so obviously it brought them into view over the top of the houses. Keep dropping this. Sorry. If any my heart goes out to anybody with arthritis in their hands and each other. It's horrible, isn't it? Very painful. Yeah, that's the cam view. This is the south side of the house. You probably know by now. I forget, you might not. Yeah, lights fading. Those were chemical clouds that have appeared, rain clouds. I don't know. Rain clouds under the chems, so certainly cloud seeding, obviously. We knew that, I suppose, but they've gone overboard today. That's taking the piss. Anyway, all coming up here. Well, at least they look natural. Those rain clouds, don't they? Totally natural, that. Not. And you give it a couple of minutes and the rest of the chems turn into rain clouds. I'll do a photo for timestamp just so you can see. Just a quickie for you, those of you into it deeper. See that fly in the middle there? It's getting in every shot. It's I'm trying to. It's been there all day. Its wings out. It's never moved. Strange, yeah. Very strange. Quite a few chems there. A V shape on that one. Can't see any extension on them really. Maybe it left one there. No, there's spray to the south. They're still spraying over the Pennines. Well, I came out on the off chance and there's one coming up there to north of us. Look at this bloody mess. That's horrendous. Actually, I suspect that's a ship flight. I'm looking for the bugger. Never sprayed out south, I know of, but is doing a bit of a number here. He's a contrail now. Left that on purpose. Right over top of Darlow. Another plane following him. I'll see if there's a couple of trails in a minute. That one's going to still be there, but I don't know. We'll see. That other one's turned on again over there. So, yep, it's the first flight, that one. It's done 2 trails there. The other one's gone over with a small contrail. Frequencies up here. But all the rain clouds seem to have concentrated to the south. Interesting. Quite a mixture, isn't there? Quite a mixture. I can't tell if monitor's working. Well, it isn't working, I mean, but I can't tell what's going on over there. You can, I can't. Right. Better go and get that arsehole, haven't I? Get my bearings by that flight. So we got them both there. British Airways ship flight, nothing. Makes a change. easyJet, definitely. He's descending now. I'm going to have to do a playback. Luton to Aberdeen, they're both going Aberdeen. Airbus A319-111. Altitude in a second. Well, a few minutes. Golf Dash Echo Zulu India Yankee. That's a strange one. I've not seen that one before. 400 Charlie Delta 8 and his flight Echo Zulu Yankee 896 Tango. That's the one that left the 2 trails to the north of us. Just needed its altitude. So it's going to be about this altitude because I don't know the timestamps on the photos. But it's flight Echo Zulu Yankee 896 Tango, which is 2617. Uniform 2617 also. London Aberdeen. I've just read it in, haven't I? But the altitude there, 32025. It's about right. And then you've got the ship flight behind it, which surprisingly nothing, which suits me. But we're losing light now, guys. All you can see is the rain clouds. See, it's the rain clouds now. The chems have all merged in. There's nothing white looking out this way. Just the clouds are left with. That fly can depart now. It's probably got enough information. I'm only kidding. But yeah, light's fading. So thanks for being with us. Sorry it's so damn long-winded, but it's a hell of a day, obviously, isn't it? And you've had this as well over Lancaster, and God knows where to the south. It's just all headed this way. And I wonder how many people over there have actually looked at the sky today. I know one will have done, but God only knows. Anyway, thanks for being here. Thanks for always being here, when those of you who are. None of the channels are monetised. I don't bother with that crap. You know, it's more about getting the message out. I'm not bothered about monetising it unless I, in the end, have to. But the way it stands, I've not monetised anything. None of the videos. There is an exception actually, Rumble, because you've no bloody choice. Nobody can view it unless it's monetised. So I've got 7 American cents. I'm not going to spend it all at once. I might go out and party on that. But I didn't monetise it by choice. Unless there's another way of knocking it off, I will do. I'll just leave it. It's not exactly doing out. But none of the others are monetised at all. So, as I say, it's all about getting the info out. Anyway, thank you. Sorry about going in the middle of nowhere to sit back. So we've got the rain clouds around us. There's no over Darlow itself, everything's just chems over that way. But light will be fading there any time, and I'm not going back out there. I think I've done enough mileage today. So, thank you. Catch you soon. All the very best. See you guys.